Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on deleting an Instagram story. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Open up your Instagram story. On the story that you would like to delete, tap the More button from the bottom right corner. Tap Delete from the menu that appears. Then tap Delete on the pop-up. You can repeat this for every post in your story if you like, to remove your story completely. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Instagram tips and tricks.